Hello and welcome to my science tutorials. In today's video, we want to learn how to create weekly attendance tracking register very easily in PowerPoint. Now, if you work in the HR department or any other department where you need to track the attendance of your colleagues or the co-workers and people that you work with, having to enter the whether the person is present or absent manually can be a very daunting task. For instance, let's say on Monday, the person named name 1 was present, so I have to type present. If let's say on day 2 he or she is absent, I have to do that manually, okay? And then at the end of the day, I have to count automatically to know whether he came to work 3 or 4 times within that week. That can be very daunting. So in today's video, we'll be looking at how to create a very simple conditional formatting that can help us do this work very easily. So if you look at my table over here, I have my full name shown over here. That is my full name, and I have the days from Monday to Friday, and then the total, which will give me whether the person was present 4 times in a week or 5 times in a week. Aside that, I have the title of my table, which is the weekly attendance tracking register. Now, so what I want to do over here is that I want to apply some conditional formatting or some conditional formatting rules to the table that I have from Monday to Friday. So the first thing I do is I select over here, right, just under the Monday, I select that all the way to Friday and then downwards, okay, to the end of the register. So from there, I go onto my tab. Under my home tab, I come to conditional formatting. That is what we are going to use. So I click on conditional formatting, and then I come to new rule. We want to set a new rule. Are you okay? So I click on that, and this is what is going to pop up. Now, under select a rule type, I have a format all cells based on their value. So I will keep that as it is. And then if I come to this area where my cursor is, format cells based on their values, you can see that the format style, what I will select is I will select this style icon set, because that is what I want to use. So I'll use icon set. Okay, now that the icon set has been shown, I'll select the icon style over here, icon style. I'll come here and select either this or this, anyone that you think will be very nice for you, but I will go with this. So I'll select this as my icon style, and then I will tick mark this box, show icon only. That is what I want to show icons only. Right now, under the value and then the type over here, what I'll do is that I don't want my type to be percentage, I just want them to be numbers. So I'll select number and number over here. So under the value, okay, when the value is greater or equal to 1, I want it to return this icon. But then if it is less than 1, or when it is equal to 0, I want it to return the X or the absent mark over here. So with that, I'll just press OK. Okay, so from here, all I did was I come to icon format style, I selected icon sets, icon style, I chose this icon style, and then I tick mark show icons only, and then under type I selected number for both, and then over here it's greater or equal to, over here it's just greater. Okay, and then the values are 1 and then 0, and then I press OK. Now once that is done, if I come to my table and I press 1 over here, you can see the icon will show. Here if I press 0, it means the person is absent. So very easily you can see that the values are coming as I put, so which means that our conditional formatting is working. So I will just quickly erase that. Okay, so what I will do for the total is to use a formula called the count if. Right, I'll use count if for the formula. So to do that, I'll type equal to count if. Okay, so this formula, double click it, so it will tell me to select the range. So for the range, it is from Monday to Friday. Okay, then I placed comma, the criteria I just placed 1 over there. Right, so count if it is on Monday, if it is true or the person is present, you count it as 1. If not, you will return 0. Okay, and then I close my bracket and then I press enter. Okay, so right now, because I don't have any value over here, the total given to me is 0. So I'll drag this formula down, okay, till the end of my sheet. And so this is what I have. So now if I, let's say the person name 1 came from Monday all the way to Thursday and then was absent on Friday, you can see that once I place 0 on Friday, it will come as a cross sign, and then my total is 4. So that will give me the total attendance for that particular person. And then for the person named 2, let's say on Monday he was not around, but the rest of the week, sorry, Control Z, okay, but for the rest of the week the person was present. So that will give me those values. So all I have to do over here is just to fill in either 1 or 0, and then it will give me the attendance of every worker over here with the total. So as you can see, if the person is present on Monday, I just enter 1 and then it will give me present. If the person is absent, just 0, and then that is that. And then as I go on and on, you see that the count if is working, and then the number increases as I enter more values. Now if you want to format this, let's say you want this should not be left aligned and you want it to be center aligned, that is very easy. Select everything you have and just select align center, okay, and then that will be that. So this is how we create a very simple weekly attendance tracking register without you having to type present or absent manually in Excel. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial where I'll be giving you more Excel tips. So this is Samuel from my science tutorial, and bye bye.